Okay, welcome to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Meddena.
And we're fixing to get out here at the United States
Sports
Academy, United States Sports Academy. And they have some statues dedicated to various things, various people that are made of all kinds of junk and are in iron and metal. So hope you enjoy the video.
Yes. Check us out on Instagram and we'll see you on the road.
Okay, we actually got over here in Daphne at the United States Sports Academy, and they have all these athletes made of junk. And that looks like a guy running, made out of tires and all this sort of thing. This is the United States U.S. Sports Academy Walk of Fame. This is a baseball player made out of large, I don't know, it's a whole bunch of stuff. It's interesting. And then we have some art on the wall there of this, and this is actually some memorial. I think these are all things that help support the organization, a tribute to the human spirit. That's some art from the wall there. This is in Daphne, right off of 98. It's on Academy Drive, real close to I-10, so it'd be easy to get to, easy parking. While you're over here, a lot of good restaurants and to see, and you're real close to Mobile. It has a Mardi Gras museum and a lot of things going on over there. Dolphin Island Sea Lab. And then on the side of the building, they have a golfer made of metal and junk, they say. Huh? Yeah. Then you have a swimmer made out of junk. The Swimmer by Bruce Larson, dedicated to Mark Spitz, the Olympic swimmer. So he did that's like an engine in there. That's amazing. That is really amazing how they did that. And then you have the bicyclers, and it has a large bicycle in front. Looks like a maybe a wheelchair type bicycle in the middle, and then the old-timey single wheel bicycle, and then the tricycle on there. This is called the Cyclist. It was dedicated in 2009, also built by Bruce Larson. This is the ballerina, and she is on the balancing beam. So that is just incredible there. And that's all made of junk. Really did an exceptional job that way. It's also a Bruce Larson 2009. It's called Natasha. I think that's the way you pronounce that. And coming out here where Meddena is. It's like football players made of iron. What? Oh. Nah. I say, yeah. Dina says it's the Iron Bowl dedicated to Nick Saban. Yes, it is. Iron Bowl dedicated to Nick Saban, head coach, University of Alabama. 18 May 2010. Bobby Bowden, Florida State, coin toss. Galen McLeod, Alabama defense. Jackie Burkett, Auburn offense. Sculpture by Bruce Larson. 22 January 2010. That is awesome. That is awesome. Truly the Iron Bowl. It's amazing. United States Sports Academy. Okay, you have a basketball player here, long-legged basketball player here made of junk. And he's throwing over to a basketball rim. I'll have to get it on the other side because we're facing the sun. We didn't see that a few minutes ago. It's got the basketball player here giving the basketball net. It's dedicated to Michael Jordan.
Yep.
Okay, Michael Jordan, the greatest basketball player of all time, by Bruce Larson, dedicated in memory of Ernie Barnes, 1938 to 2009. That's very nice. That's just, it's incredible.
Oh, I didn't see the basketball.
Yeah.
That is cool. Okay, so you didn't think it would be worth it, was it?
Yes.
It was worth it. I was
That was
wrong.
right. You were right.
Okay.
One more time, you were right and I was wrong.
Oh, how it burns. We barely started on every turn. Keep moving further. And all of my broken bones mend with your love. We never learn. We just keep going until it hurts. We keep it rolling. And all of my broken bones mend with your love. And there you go and give it to me, so you get me feeling like I always should be dancing in